Welcome back again. Let us see the problems again. Uh, Try to understand again the problems related to probability. Okay, so let's see. Now, given that you have E and F are the events, okay, such that P of E is some 0.6, okay, and P of F is 0.3, fine, and P of E intersection F is 0.2. Okay. Let us find what is P of E given F. Let's see this, and also P of uh, F given E. Let us see this. How to solve this? Given is this and this and this. Okay. Now we have a formula for this. This is a conditional probability P of E given F. Okay, so this is P of E intersection F divided by P of P of F. Okay, when you put this values, this is 0.2, this is 0.3, so you get 2 by 3. I hope you understood the first part of the problem. Okay, let us now find what is P of F given E. So what would be this? So P of again this is P of E intersection F divided by P of E. We have this. This is 0.2 and this is 0.6. So it is 1 by 3. Okay. Any queries? So okay. Let us move on to next. Okay. Let me explain you once again. The last one. This is conditional probability. Now, given E, P of F given E, the formula is P of E intersection F divided by P of E, which is 0.2 divided by 0.6. Okay, so which is 1.3. 1 divided by 3. Sorry. 1 divided by 3. Okay, let us move on to next problem. Let us compute P of A given B. Okay, uh, given is P of B is 0.5 and P of A intersection B is 0.3. Okay, so let us find this. How do we solve this? Okay, so let us do that. So P of A given B. Okay, given B. So P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, so A intersection B is 0.32 and this is 0.5. So this will be the solution of given problem. Okay, fine. Any queries? How is A intersection B? No, that is given, right? So we have in A. given as P of A intersection B is 0.3 and P of B which is 0.5. So I have substituted these value, that is 0.32 and this is 0.5. That's it. Okay. Now let us try to solve next problem. The next problem is P of A. If P of A is 0.8, okay, and P of B is 0.5, okay, let us find what is P of B given A, which is given as 0.4. Okay, so let us find this. Now I've been given to find what is P of A. You have to find what is P of A intersection B. Okay, and we have to find what is P of A given B. Okay, as well as let us first find these two. Okay, so P of B given A is P of A intersection B divided by P of A. We have this result. Okay, so you take this on the other side. So P of A intersection B will be this is 0.4 into this is P of A, which is 0.8. So this results to 0.32. Now let us try to find what is P of A given B. Okay, so that is P of A given B, which is P of A intersection B by P of B. Let us substitute it. So we have this as 0.32 and P of B, which is 0.5. When you try to simplify it, you get 0.64. This is the solution. Okay. Any doubts? Fine. So we'll move on to the next problem. Now let us try to evaluate. Let us try to evaluate uh, P of A union B uh, and if P of if two times P of A is P of B, which is 5 by 13. Yeah. Any queries? Oh, okay. Okay, let me repeat this problem once again. We have to evaluate A union B. Okay, if 2 times P of A is equal to P of B, which is equal to 5 by 13, and P of A given B is 2 by 5. Okay, so let us evaluate what is P of A union B. That's what we are supposed to find. So let us take that if P of A, P of B is 5 by 13. This is given. Okay, let us try to solve this. Okay. Now, now since these are given, okay, so I can write that P of B is 5 by 13 and P of A to take to the other side, so 5 by 26. So you got this result. Fine. So P of A given B is P of A intersection B by P of B. Okay, you get what is P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B, you get this. So when you try to multiply it, that is P of AB, P of A given B, that is 2 by 5 and 5 by 13. If I multiply it, I get 2 by 13. Okay, get this result. So let us keep a note of this. Okay, now I want P of A union B now. Okay, we know that P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, let us find that. So P of A, which is known, which is 5 by 26, and P of B, you know, as 5 by 13, and P of A intersection B, we have already found, that is minus 2 by 13. Now, when you compute this entirely, so you get 11 by 13. So that is P of A union B. Fine. Any queries? So we move on to next problem. Okay. Done. Now, another problem. I have P of A, which is 6 by 11. Okay. And P of B, which is 5 by 11. Okay. And P of A union B, P of A union B, which is 7 by 11. Okay. Let us find what is P of A intersection B. Okay. And P of A given B. Fine. Let's see this. Did you understand this problem? But any queries? Okay. Right. Let me continue the problem. I don't think so. You'll be having any doubts. Okay. No query. Okay. Thank you. Okay. P of 8 is given. P of B is given. And let us find what is P union B. Okay. So uh, let us try to solve this. So P of A, A intersection B. Okay. P of uh, P of A union B is 11. That is P of A and P of B and minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So you have this value, and this value, and this value. So when you substitute it, okay, uh, completely, try to solve it. Okay, substituting these values. So 7 by 11, this is 6 by 11, and this is 5 by 11. So I want P of A intersection B. So, so I get this as 4 by 11. Okay, so this is done. Now let us try to solve P of A given B. Again, the formula P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay. Now we already found that is 4 by 11 and this is 5 by 11. So you have this as 4 by 5. Is it clear? Any doubts? So we'll see next problem. We'll try to solve the next problem. Let us see next problem. A coin is tossed three times. Okay, a coin which is tossed three times. Okay, where if you have the event kept as E as an event, okay, and F as an event, okay, on three tosses, F on first two tosses, head on first two tosses, okay. This is third toss, okay, and there's one part of the problem. Let us first write the sample space for this. So this will be 2 cube, that is 8. Okay, the sample space corresponding to this will be head, head, and tail, and so on. So total will have 8. Now, if I consider the first part of the problem, E head, and on the third toss, and F head on the second toss, the event E will be, okay, what will be head, and head, correct? Head, tail, and head, correct? And tail, head, and head, correct? And tail, and head. So these are the only possibilities which you will be having. Okay, this is for E. Now for F, what will be? So two heads should be there. Okay, on that is heads on first two tosses. So you have and head again, head, head, and tail. So only these possibilities. Did you understand what I was talking about? Fine. Now E intersection F is, which is common, head, and head. Did you understand the first part? And let me move on to the next one. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, probability of F is, uh, now you have two such favorable, so it is 2, and total number of possibility which is 8, so this is 1 by 4. Fine. And what is P of E intersection F? So again, this is one possibility. Okay, so this should be what, 1 by 8, because it is 1 by 8 times. Okay, we need probability of E given F. So what is it? P of E intersection F divided by P of F, that is 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. When you calculate this, you get 1 by 2. So for this first, uh, getting head and getting tail, I mean head again for the event F, and these are the possibilities. Okay. Okay, you want me to repeat again? Okay. Now, again, let us see this. The given problem, that is, we have got a sample space which is 2 cube, okay, which is head, and head, again, tail, and tail, okay. Now, the event, getting head, uh, the third toss. So third toss. So these are the possibilities which I get. And again, head uh, first two toss. So first two toss. So that is the criteria which you get. And uh, E intersection F. Okay. If you see this, these two are the only one. Okay. If you draw a Venn diagram, okay, you have head, and head here. So, which is common for the event E and for the event F. Okay. So probability of F being 2 by 8. So you have 2 here, M is 2 and 8. So N is, so we'll see next problem. Any queries? Fine. Okay. Fine. Yes. We'll move on to next problem. Okay. I have a question. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? Let us see. Mother and father and a son line up at random for a family picture. Okay. Uh, that is what mother, father, and a son. They need they line up in a such a way that it is random. Okay. On a family picture. Okay. So let us call an event E, saying that sun on one end. Okay. Sun on one end. I have another event which is F, which is father in middle. Okay, which is father in middle. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. Uh, now, now you have mother, father, and son. Okay, let us label it mother as M and father as F and son as S. So the sample space corresponding to this is MFS, because in the question is asked, they lined up in a random for a family picture, right? So MFS, this is the first possibility. M, S, and F. This is the next possibility, and we have F, M, S. This is the next possibility, and S, M, F. We have this possibility, and again son, father, and mother. So nowhere it is same; it is different. Okay. Yes. Have you noticed that? So this is the sample space. So, first, you have to get the maximum number of possibilities. That is sample space which you get. So E is an event. Sun in one end. Okay. We have M, F, S. Right. Can you notice another? Can you see this? You have any other? Yes. You have F, M, S. Correct. Okay, this is on the extreme end, right, at one end. Okay, now you have another end. This is SMF, and again SFM. Correct. See, first it is sun at the last slot, again second at the last slot, and here in the first slot, here sun at the first slot. This is an event 1, which is represented as E. And again, I have another event which is F, father in middle. So, father being in middle, M, F, S, correct? And can you tell me, yes? Anybody? Yes. So that is, what is it? Yeah, SFM, correct. Okay, so these are the events. So here the numbers are 4, here the number is 2, correct? Yes. So E intersection F, E intersection F, what is it? E intersection F. Hmm. So it is, what is it? E intersection F, which is common MFS and SFM. Here you have again two elements in this. The probability of this, of E intersection F, what will be? That is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Can you understand this? Okay. So let us find what is probability of F. F. So probability of F will be, you have two such events and you have possibility which is 6. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Fine. And P of E given F. P of E given F. What is it? P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Intersection F is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 3, which is equal to 9. Yes? Understood? Fine. Let me end up session. We'll continue again in the next session.